To work with ChatGPT, search for OpenAI in Google. You'll get the icon. Uh, Click on ChatGPT. A tab will open. You can log in. Uh, Click on login. If you haven't got an account, you can sign up. I do have an account, so I'll just type in the email address and then click continue. Here you have to enter your password. Click continue, and once you are in the ChatGPT tab, you can see this is ChatGPT 3.5 version. You also have ChatGPT Plus and Team. These are paid versions. The free one I'm going to be showing you right now. So there are extra features in the Plus and the Team. These are highlighted here. Once you close it, you can open and customize your GPT using the customized ChatGPT tab. In settings, you can change the background. You can keep it as dark, light. You can also manage your archived searches. You can delete your previous searches. So here is the list. Whenever you search, that gets populated in this region. So you can delete chat by just clicking on the three dots. You can also archive it. So I have now archived it. You can open settings. So if you go to the archive, manage, you can see that whatever was archived is seen here. You can also delete it from here by clicking on delete. You can delete all. So now you can see whatever was in the previous searches will get deleted. So you can see everything got deleted. Also, you can change or delete your whole account by coming to this region. To start with, you can enter your prompt in this region. So I'm going to say how to use ChatGPT and then click enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT replies to our prompt, and this gets populated in our history. So in ChatGPT, all the data which is populated, it can be edited from using this icon. As you can see, it has given the data in points. So in case I'm not happy with this, you can regenerate it by clicking this icon. So you can see a new reply has been generated. So in case I am not happy with it or I don't think it's relevant, I can also use this icon. So if you click on the copy, it gets copied to your clipboard. If I would say this is a same as what was previously sent, I can click on that. So now when I scroll down, I can also, one feature about ChatGPT is we can talk to it like we are talking to a person, where I can just say like give me two examples and it gives me two examples. I need not type in the whole data once again. So the generative AI understands what I'm talking about, and here you can see I've misspelled examples deliberately, but still it gives me a reply. So the correct wording should have been EXAMPLES, but still I do get a reply. Here I can also write as put it in a table format. So whatever data was given as points, it would convert it into tables. So the examples, that is two examples that I asked, has been generated as a table format. So one column for example, another column for description. So this table can be copied and added into Excel or a Word document. If you can see, the same points are added as a table. So example 1, generative creative ideas, and example 2. When you click on new chat, you'll come back to the home page where you will be able to start a new chat. All your old searches will be removed. Here in ChatGPT there are some prompts which are already there. So now I'm going to type a prompt saying mechanical engineering future. Hit enter. The data gets generated. So very descriptive reply is given. Again you can copy, regenerate. Now you can also do one more prompt where you can just summarize the whole thing. As you can see, the reply was very descriptive and very long. You can just say summarize as 100 words. And if I hit enter, whatever the data was given has been summarized into 100 words. Also, I can go to Wikipedia or any other page. If I already have a data, I can also copy it from a document and then paste it here, and before pasting I'll call it as, please summarize this as summarize this in one sentence. And I pasted whatever was copied from Wikipedia, and you can see this whole data is summarized as just one continuous sentence. We can also give a prompt saying it like explain this like I am a 5-year-old. So it will dumb down the whole data, make it very simple so that even a 5-year-old can understand. So as you can see, it's put the whole data in simple words. I can also make it quite I would say advanced, by saying explain this like I am a professor. So the whole data got very descriptive, very detailed. Here we have the prompts in ChatGPT which are already there. So let us just try out. And if you see my history, as soon as I click on this, it got added to my history as a new chat. So once the chat is completed, it gets generated here. Again, we can try the prompts which are already there. These are given so that we can modify it to our requirement in case it's similar to what we are looking for. And you can see, since I paused it in the middle, the chat is not fully generated. Again, I can say something like a create workout plan, which is already there. Probably modify it in case I have a prompt similar to it. Now once the prompt is generated, we can share this chat. So we can copy this link. I'm going to click on copy. In case we are sending it in a mail or any messenger application, we can just paste it there. So now I'm going to show how it's going to be seen. So it's a link. So that's it about ChatGPT, a basic guide.